all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The Vishwa Hindu Parishad slammed Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray over his e-Bhumi Pujan in Ayodhya comment. The statement released by VHP Chief Alok Kumar said that Uddhav's statement only showed his blind opposition. He said that the VHP mourns the fall of a once Hindutva party led by Bala Saheb Thackeray. Alok Kumar in his statement also said that Bhumi Pujan is an auspicious ritual which cannot be done through a video conference.
The statement by Uddhav Thackeray only shows his blind opposition, and we do mourn such a fall of what once was a Hindutva party led by the legendary Shri Bala Saheb Thackeray. Before starting any construction work, we worship Mother Earth, seeking her permission to dig and construct structures and obtain her blessings for the mission.
The VHP chief also said that the country has been continuing day-to-day activities amid the pandemic, and so the Bhumi Pujan will be conducted. He added that all health and security advisories shall be complied with.
The country is going through normal activities with all precautions relating to COVID-19. The Supreme Court permitted the symbolic taking out of Sri Jagannath Rath Yatra. The rituals of Sri Amarnath Yatra have all been performed, though the Yatra was not allowed this year. The VHP has always made it clear that Bhumi Pujan will be done by restricting participation to 200 members and complying with all health and security advisories. In this situation, the concerns about public health expressed by Shri Thackeray are only false pretensions.
In an interview to a Marathi daily, Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray spoke about his visit to Ayodhya. He said that he will visit Ayodhya on the 5th of August and offer his prayers. But Uddhav Thackeray also questioned if lakhs of other Ram Bhakts can be stopped from visiting Ayodhya amid the pandemic. He then suggested an e-Bhumi Puja to be done to prevent Ayodhya from becoming a super spreader.
An e-Bhumi Pujan can be done. The groundbreaking ceremony can be held through video conference. This is an event of joy, and lakhs of people would be interested in attending the ceremony. Will we allow the spread of coronavirus?
Uddhav Thackeray also recalled the last time he had gone to Ayodhya. He was reportedly stopped from performing Aarti at the Saryu River there since the COVID-19 spread had just started. According to Ayodhya Temple Trust members, Prime Minister Modi is likely to visit the Ayodhya Temple for Bhumi Pujan on the 5th of August. Bhumi Pujan is a ceremony which will be conducted to begin construction of the Ram Temple in Ayodhya.